Hey everyone, thanks for joining. You already know what today is, just another day working out. This workout though is for all my beginners, all my people who's just trying to get a quick workout, who's trying to learn, who's trying to start from somewhere, or who has already started and just trying to get right back out there. That's where I'm at. That's what this workout's for. This is 10 down and push-ups. So you could follow along with me. We're going to start doing 10 push-ups all the way up, all the way down. That's 2. Down, now up. That's 3. Down, up. 4. Down, up. 5. Down, up. 6. Down, up. 7. Down, up. 8. Down, up. 9. Down, up. 10. Bow. Simple. All the way up, all the way down. Now we're going to 9. Here we go. Are you ready? Let's go. Get ready. Let's go. Here we go. Ready? Bow. Get that stretching real quick. Ready? 1. Down. Up. 1. Down. Up. 2. Down. Up. 3. Down. Up. 4. Gotta stretch again. Don't worry. It's all right. Just don't fall. Down. Up. 5. Down. Up. 6. Down. Up. 7. Down. Up. 8. Down. Up. 9. There you go. That's how you do it. It's not even that hard. Gonna feel it though. Hope you following through. If you new here, hello. If you not, hello. You just gotta follow through workout. Come on. For all my beginners, this is for you. If you're not a beginner, this is still for you. 8. Ready? Here we go. Get that stretch real fast. This is 8. Down. Up. 1. Down. Up. 2. Down. Up. 3. Down. Up. 4. Down. Up. 5. Yeah, I know you feel it. Down. Up. 6. Down. Up. 7. Last one. Down. Up. 8. Here we go. I know you feel it. It's all right. We almost there, though. We are almost there. No breaks. Small to minimum breaks. This is less than 30 seconds. Less than 10-second breaks. Here we go. Ready to get back to it. Bow. Get that stretch in if you have to before you go into that form. Here we go. Ready? Down. Up. 1. We're going to 7, guys. Down. Up. 2. Down. Up. 3. Down. Up. 4. Down. Up. 5. Down. Up. 6. Yeah, you gotta get that stretching. It's all right. We almost there. Down. Up. 7. There we go. That's all we say. We ain't have to do that much. We getting there. We almost finished. For my people, if you just starting this, hey, get figgy with it. It's all right. We getting towards the finish line. This is 6 now. Here we go. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go. Get that stretching before you get it. It's okay. Here we go. Are you ready? Down. Up. 1. Down. Up. 2. Down. Up. 3. Down. Up. 4. Yeah, we got this. It's all right. Down. Up. 5. You got this. It's okay. It's all right. Down. Up. 6. Yeah, come on. That's it. It doesn't take that much. We got this. You got this. You got this. Yes. Come on, 6. There we go. Let's go. You ready? Are you ready for 6? For 5. My bad. Let's go. That was 6, though. Here you go. Stretch again before you get in. Get in. Get in. We eating. Ready? Are you ready? Down. Up. 1. Come on, we ain't got to do that much. Down. Up. 2. Come on, we almost there. Come on, guys. Down. Up. 3. Yeah, I know. You feel it. Down. Up. 4. I know. Come on, one more. Just for you. Down. Yep. Up. Bow. 5. He did that for the fam. All right now. 4 more to go. 4 more to go. 4 more. Come on. 4 more to go. We got this. What you doing? No breaks? Get down. No breaks. Get down there. What's that? What we on? Huh? Somebody talk to me. Loud. Down. Loud. Up. That's 1. Down. Up. That's 2. Down. Up. That's 3. Big body, big arms. Down. Up. 4. Big deltoids. Don't play with them. Hold on. Yeah. Beginners like this. Bow. Yeah. Check them out. Hold on. We got a few more to go. Bow. Stretch. What's the do? Down. There we go. Up. That's 1. We ain't doing that much. Down. Up. That's 2. Yeah, I know you felt that. Down. Up. That's 3. Come on. We banging them out now. What we on? Hold on. Don't hurt me no more. Hold on. Yeah. All right. Where we going? What we doing? You got this. There we go. What? Down. Look at them. Up. Bow. 1, Down. Here we go. Up. 2. Whew. That wasn't nothing. 2 push-ups. Wow. What was he doing? Is this for babies? Let's go. We got this. Yeah. 1 more. 1. You only got to do 1. Bow. Yes. You and we are finished. That was 10 down for everybody who's never did 10 down. Yeah, I did another one just for the love of the people, for the love of the community. If you're a beginner, this 10 down workout was for you. It was for you. Don't mind me running in place. That's just what I do after my workouts, just to give me a little just give me a little cardio in real quick. Just, I don't know, burn it off a little bit. I don't know why I do it. I just do it though, just to get me and myself right. But if you enjoyed this workout, I hope to see you on another one. This was only 10 down, so you feel me? I'm used to 25 down. I'm trying to build my way back up to that. So if you end up seeing a 25 down video for me, you know we getting there. You know them things is growing. Look at them arms. Yeah, you can get your arms just like that too. You see me doing 10 down, I do simple stuff.